How's it going, friends? Welcome to the second week, the first update of the MINOXIDIL journey. So as much as I love the high production and the lights and all the stuff that I set up for the last or first video, it's a lot of work. Being in college and moving home for a little bit for a break and then going back, it's going to be a lot of setup and moving, and I think this just works easier, if I'm honest with you. Before we continue on, if you're interested in following my journey, be sure to subscribe. I'd love to have you. So without further ado, let's get close. Here's my face. So I just applied it, as you can tell. It's still shiny. Probably stays shiny for like half an hour. And this here is 5-6 days of growth. So it's nothing much, but you can see the mustache there. It's not coming in, but here in my chin, you can see, and down my neck a little bit too. I'm trying to get all that light on there. I'm blocking the light with my camera. So there's my side. See if you can see my other side. Yeah. So if you've seen my first week video, there's not a lot of change, which is fine. Like I said, it's a journey, and the first week is not going to show the most results. If you were here in person, you could see the tiny vellus. I'm going through puberty. If you were here in person, you could see the tiny vellus hairs on my chin, especially a little bit on my cheek, but I mean, after just a week of use, there's not much change. I will say most of the side effects that I had felt for a little bit, like the redness of the face and kind of the warm face, that's kind of been going away. The more I use it, the more I find that I'm just getting naturally accustomed to it. I'm still sticking with 2 times a day, once in the evening and once in the morning. For the most part, I've stuck to it, except once or twice I've just had to do 1 time a day. I haven't seen any unwanted hair growth yet, but I'm excited to see where this is going, and it's working for me as far as I can tell. I also forgot to mention I got a haircut today, so she actually trimmed some of the stuff on the side so it looks a little different than it probably would. If you're interested in following my journey, be sure to subscribe and also hit the bell so you get the notification when I post a video. I hope I'm helping you in your journey. If you haven't started MINOXIDIL, go for it. I'll be here, I'll help you, and we'll find things out together. And make sure you leave any questions or comments for me in the comments below. But I'll see you next week.